Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video we are going to be making a convex butcher. Now a convex butcher is slightly different than a concave butcher. Usually it is when the plane or the surface plane of the material is on the outside, or it's what's pushing away the material, so it's on the arch. A concave butcher, the bevel is on the inside of the plane, or it's pushing in towards the curve, in towards that arch. So first steps first, we're going to want to take and grind this at a nice little 60-degree bevel here. So we're going to take and grind this nice little 60-degree chamfer on the end here. This is very similar to what you would do for like a cold chisel, but we're only going to be doing one edge. And as we grind that away, we'll get that done, and then we're going to take and grind the inside radius after we've gotten the flat ground in. What this does is this gives us a working point to work from, and then we can work back to that edge and kind of maintain our material thickness. If you grind too much at once, if you grind too much away and do the grind in the concavity here, and then go ahead and grind the outside edge, you might end up with a tool that's too thin, and so we don't want that. Yep, I just smoked my glove there. So as you can see, something's a little weird about this belt grinder. I lost half my belt. It's having some tracking issues, and so I was just kind of powering through and making do. And this was my last belt that I had available to me, so bear with me, guys. Bear with me. So now I'm just taking and cleaning in the radius by taking and grinding off those corners. And this is basically the whole of the entire process right here. I mean, that's once you get those corners ground off, you want to round everything in so you don't leave any sort of galling, so you don't want to have any sharp edges to the forward or to the aft of the tool, you know. And that is just this way you don't get any sort of shouldering or stepping occurring when you're taking and using this tool for decorative ironwork. Again, I'm just radiusing that in, much in the same way that you would do a slitting chisel. So if you notice, I didn't forge anything in this video, and I've done that because basically the forging is like all the other tools that I have made. I've made several videos around this topic now, and they are all in a playlist down in the description down below. And you can find that in the playlist section of forging chasing tools. If you just take a look there, you'll find everything you need to know about it. The forging is exactly the same in every single tool. It's the grind that is different. And this is just, just to kind of show you how it's really easy to create these tools. They all do the same thing. You use the same steps to create a whole bunch of tools at once, and then you just think, hey, what type of end would be nice to have ground on the end of this bar here? And then you just go to town grinding it, and that's kind of the whole principle of this deal, and that's what makes these tooling makes this type of tooling really nice. You can just forge it out. You don't have to overcomplicate it at that stage, and then you can figure out later on what it is that you want to accomplish with that tool. So whether you want to have a curved butcher, you want to have a straight butcher, things like that. So there you have it. There is a convex butcher. That's with the butchering portion pushing away from the outside of the arch. I also show you right there, there's another one with a slightly lighter arch to it. And yeah, that's basically all there is to it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, share it around with your friends.